Welcome back, guys. Today we will look three very important plugins that a UX UI designer or any designer who wants their work to be easier must have. So let's get started. The first plugin that I want to discuss about is the one which will help you create mockups, which is this plugin is very important because everyone uses it to create portfolios, and in your portfolio you would love to have these kind of screens because it gives you a very professional look in your portfolio. It looks really amazing when you put these kinds of screens in your portfolio. So in this you can select any phone that you want, so Pixel 4, or maybe if it was a desktop screen you could use MacBook Pro or browser. Then you can so in this way you can decide upon your phones, because see over here the time, you can see the time, but when you are going to Pixel iPhone, the screen size basically it changes a little bit. Yeah, over here you can see the screen size change, so accordingly you can choose, and you can also choose the angle, which is really great. It's you can use angles from over here. There are ways different scenarios. Also what you can do is, one great thing is, when you're clicking over here, it's straight device rotation. Let's give it 20%. So see, this is coming towards you, and when it's -20, it's like it's going back. The bottom part changes, right? And then you can like, these are different axes in which you can rotate the device. And then there's a camera rotation. So camera rotation is something like this. You are actually rotating the camera and viewing your phone from that direction, which can be really great because you see like when you're taking photographs, you're giving different angles. So just giving 1 minute to this and you will be able to create a real nice mockup. It's very easy. You can change the device color as well, but I generally use white color. It looks much better. And then what you have to do is that it's save as image. Then there's a settings button where you can choose the quality. You can save as image, and when you click on this, it loads a little bit, and then here you go, you get this mockup as an image. And one trick is that you press Control and then you slide it, and you're actually cropping the image, so it's not taking much of the space. And that's it. Here you go. Beautiful. Now next plugin that I would like you to know is that it's a real nice great plugin, because I recently found this plugin and see what it does. Now initially what it was that I wrote some random text, and it is just one text. Look, it's just one layer of text. But what I want is that I want each text to be in a different line, means I want different layers. So when you want different layers, you go to plugins, text cutter, and when you do text cutter, you can choose split text. So you can see we can move all the texts around. Next thing is that you can actually select these things. It might be that you're having different layers and you want it to be in one layer. Select it, right click on it, and go to plugins, text cutter, join text, and then it's back to original. Now next interesting plugin that I want you to know is Iconify. Most of you might know it, but I have known people who discovered it recently, so I thought that it would be great if I introduce it to everyone. So this is Iconify. In Iconify we are having these like, you can choose any thing. Like if I am selecting tick, or maybe check and I click enter. So I'm getting icons. These are the icons and I am getting icons for check. Okay, but you can see great filters over here, bootstrap icons. So what you do is that whenever you use icons, you prefer that all those icons are from the same source. So basically here are all the icons, but these are mixed up. So you can have icons from the same source, box icons, bootstrap icons, and there are different collection lists. You can from the collection list you can go to material icons or maybe bootstrap icons. So let's go to material icons. So these are all the material icons that you download. Actually go and download from the Google icons. So you can always have this plugin which will help you. Like this is a profile icon, you click on this and you can see what it is 24x24. Generally icons are 24x24. You can choose the color from here itself, which is just great. You don't have to download the icon then change the color. You can just, before downloading, you are having these customization options. There is a height, there is a flip, there is rotate, and then finally you can click on, either you can click on import icon, or you can drag and drop it wherever you need it, and then you close this. There you go, you have your icon right here. So that's all for today, guys, and if you like the today's video, please click on the like button and share it so that each and every designer gets benefit from it, and you can subscribe the channel if you like it. Thank you for watching.